Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Time. When him look on the next poll, in gone again, down. He go back to the other man and say, "Oh, me pay the whole. How did I pay you this whole heap of money? And not now go on for me." The other man says, "St. Thomas, stop in a follow Englishman. Don't you trouble Zion. Don't you trouble."
St. Thomas, not in sure you not follow English, man. Aye, sir. Tam Tavares. Tam Tavares, I'm going to say this to you and say this to you well. I'm going to say this to you and say this to you well. No. Why you not talk say the Obia you go St. Thomas for figure hold on the land? Why you not talk about the Obia where you walk pan the land no down at St. Thomas? Why you not talk in Canterbury's? Why you not talk about the toxicity? The Obia where you work with your son pan the land no? Are you rub up your son? Why you not talk about the people that now welcome your son up? Tam Tavares, remember say you get a safe JLP seat and lose it, you know. Tam Tavares. Him now go tell you where him do with his son Christian Tavares and them a walk the aisle. Tam Tavares, remember say me hear about the Obia man and as a matter of fact, you remember which part you go up in the valley and the Obia man said, "Now go work for you." I never mark. God the Obia man. Are you, as a matter of fact, a Bobby, who know want me going to the truth, a Bobby carry him son to, and Bobby say, remember, say, my uncle dead. Go up a St. Thomas where Pernell and Michelle go, because then when he go up St. Thomas, and Pernell and Michelle said to him, say, the Obia man a give a problem because Rose fix the Obia man and send some mothers as Zion go cripple the Obia man and St. Thomas.
Ball out! Whoa, yo. We need help, Jesus. Jamaica need help.
You hear what I said to you? You hear what I said to you? So Rose mashed them up. She just sprinkle little olive oil and Michelle and Pernell run up and down. Then carry Christian Tavares. No, Marva, I don't mix up, but me I chat them business. Because when them I use a reverse psychology, if you tell Jamaica what kind of necromancy them I walk. You never know. Them go up at the church where our the one when him rally and the whole of them, Lord Jesus. Why them want me talk them business at St. Thomas? So no care Sandra name me night. Don't care because you must remember you don't want me carry your wife name me night, so don't care Sandra name me night. Who agree with Jamaica? Leave Sandra name out of because Sandra no mix up in all the naughty, dirty politics. Because why not talk say yeah, Jesus. You know, so them are project students. Them are project, I tell you. Why you think him can't explain what the Obia man tell what to do? You know, see mal showing all the Obia man because of that them dealing now. Goat blood, Obia works, necromancy, sacrifice, blood work, and that are for them thing. And that is for them thing. Me can't talk about it. Me under the shield and the blood and the protection. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Yes.
Big up yourself, talking man on top of the press, big up yourself. But on a prime minister spend, seeing 20 odd million to get the report from FinSac to find out which PMP have fucked the system left, right and center. And up till now, he can't read out the report make on a year. You see me? Go and ask the prime minister, fully done, back of the class, shit house, Andrew pit toilet. Because if you know about Andrew in pit toilet where he shit in, that's why you can't come and defend him pan in wrong. So, when he's back at the class, you know. You see, we PMP, we did got Jamal in a Monday time to go learn to read. But when he did follow Edward, Buster man, he said saltfish, rice and flour is better than education. Why the fuck you come and ask me this? Why you don't ask the Prime Minister to release the report and shame all of the PMP them who mash up the people them life with FinSac? Why you don't do that? System dog, labor right. You're a shithouse man. You're a drunk. You don't go live for no fucking belly. Bless up to all of the revolutionists them, not the diaspora, all freedom fighters, all warrior. You see me? Yeah man. Of the People's National Party. Blessed love and greetings unto you. Yeah man, big up all of the undecided voters and the decent labor right. Yeah man, bless up and protection and guidance to you each and every day on our family. Big up all of the people that doing the work, you see me, to free the Jamaican people out of the Jamaica Labour Party and the system dog supported them. Blessed love. Big up yourself, talking mind on top of the press. And I see a video, you know, and them said, rest in peace, KD night. So if it goes so, my condolences from Asha 11 and to the family of KD night, you know, yeah, and him constituency. You see me? And the people who love him in his constituency, that him used to run before him resigned. See? Yeah man, blessed love from Asha 11 and family. Because KD Knight have done some good work for Jamaican, you know. Even the people in Tivoli Garden, when Dwight Nelson, Andrew Woonis them, and some of them executive them, Bruce Golding and the whole of them, send police to go down there and analyze guilty and innocent in one over 100 and odd people was killed in the labor right division, stronghold, garrison and gangster party, stronghold. You see me? He was the one that come to court and defend it for the people them down there so that they could get some consequence, you know, yeah, them could get something back for the grief. He might contribute a lot to the Jamaican society, both Labour and PMP, in him time of serving the people of Jamaica and in country. You know, so I man say he was a great man. Because there is no man in this world, you know, that don't have fault, you know. And you cannot find a man that will do everything good. But if you can do 3/4 good and you 1/4 bad, you see me, you don't know a balance. Not like Dunceniss that never do a good to the suffering class of people. Everything him do is evil, both to PMP and Labour. You see what I say? See? Yeah, I hear some system that come out, and talk about how Dunceniss have brought Jamaica a long way and good way, and 9 years without any tax. Why you can't go to the supermarket now with the 16,000 and feed your family of 4 for a month? And you could use 6,000 in the People's National Party time, in Porsche time, and feed your family of 6 for 1 month. Why? And there is no new tax. You see what I say? Because one is just fully done the back of the class and everything. You see me? Yeah. You know, and I see some people come and comment and I say, Mark Golding kill PJ Patterson because I'm bringing my meeting. You know what? The man was going home from once him come. And it is a joy for him to pay him the last visit before him soul step out of his body upon the other side. To see PMP people and see them in action and feel good to know that him is going and the People's National Party is going to take over Jamaica and deliver the people from this wicked boy. This is what I say. And that's what all on the app say. You have one name, DM man, say that KD Knight must go and suck his mother. That's where we're going to, my youth. The man dead already and gone, you know. And if he even did have grievance against him, dead and gone then, because them say rest in peace. You see me? But I am saying to you, as a system dog, Labour right, because it's only a drunkard that I eat dead meat. You know, would I come and comment like that? You see me? Because you know people from all over the world, I can see this, you know, and say that you're a Jamaican drunkard and Dunceniss shithouse in pit toilet. Yeah, when he young I used to come full in chimney shit and control in your mouth. I have a prayer for you. Yeah? May the powers of the Most High Almighty Life and Mother Earth and the Ancestor lead you to a big 10-wheeler truck load of sand or goods. Yeah. And he must run right over you as the moon rise in the evening and set in the morning, and as the sun rotate and rise in the east and set back in the morning, may destruction rise upon you and your generation, upon Mother Earth, and that Almighty Life will take away him life back from your body, and that you will pass away and forgotten all about in the book of life, just like Dunceniss, because you are one of the dog, you know, see me, that the Rastaman them always preach about, that peace upon the wall of Babylon shall go down with them. You shall go down with your leader of destruction, you see me, because all you want to do is go around, you know, see it, and sacrifice unto the demon, the blood demon. You are one of them. So your life will be condemned. Remember, Asha 11, I tell you. That's the ancestor and we tell you. Because you're a dog. You see me? Not because even what you say about KD Knight, you know. Yeah. But to your weak mind and your corrupted mind. You see me? See? I'm going to tell you something. Whatsoever Dunceniss do, see, that bad to the Jamaican people. If you are living in Jamaica, it is bad for you too. Let me tell you, Andrew don't care about Labour nor PMP, because the shit water that the people them drink downtown is not PMP alone a drink that water. Labour right a drink it too. People who want to vote me in a power drink that water too. You see me? And the chicken them that come in at the container, the contaminated chicken them that them left, I sure it's not PMP alone take it. You see what I say? And I can swear that the majority of who eat that chicken is labor right, because labor right is a hungry belly. They are all for them belly. They're hungry more than the People's National Party supporters. See? So it just grieve my mind. So we gone, or we Jamaican gone to evil more than good. Because this Prime Minister, doing nothing for the younger set of youth that are come up, But you know what just coming in my mind right now? Yeah, like somebody just said to me in my mind, yeah man, DM man, that you're a batty man. Yeah, you're having, no, you're a man having sex with you. Yeah, so your belly full of worm and germs and your mouth. You see me? See? That's why you say what you say and about the Jamaica Labour Party, because the only legacy that your Prime Minister is leaving in Jamaica, the Samoa Agreement to let LGBTQ people must be free in Jamaica, the 1.5 million US dollar that him take to promote batty business, the 20 million that him take to promote batty business in the school. You see me? So you are one of them. So you have to praise, yeah man, your demon God. You see me? Yeah. About him name bro God. Him is a fucking demon God. And you are the pestilent, see it, that are walking in the darkness. You are the destruction that are watching at noonday, see it. And you shall fall in the 10,000 at the right hand, you see me, of the Most High, Almighty Life, and Mother Earth, and the Ancestor, Sealer.
I want to say, open with a quote. The heights by great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but by day, while their companions were sleeping, toiled upwards in the night. And that is
no one nurse and doctor for kill no. Come and St. Thomas the hospital here. Me all put up the name because I don't want to go say wrong things, so I want to look good. I want to come here safe and ready for dead now. I don't want no life. What a baby mother and I can't turn the camera by myself. See them here one pregnant woman come out of the licensed hospital here say to get through. You don't know what the people them do. You know like when the government now pay you, right? Or it seems like it's a free hospital, so everybody I work free. So you see, if them not get paid and certain things, remember you have to come out and come look friend. If you not come to the hospital and come look friend from the nurse and the doctor them, you not get through. This is not your place. So St. Thomas Hospital, where we are things say, yes, you know one nice place and everybody nice, but are the worst fucking hospital for you come. You will come here, sir, and then we kill you and your pitney. Or them if they give you a bad injection or some fuckery. Remember I tell you, I come to hospital for morning, 9 o'clock this morning. Come say if you come do Iris clinic, right? These people make mistake by giving me a wrong number, a number that me have to go wait longer than when me come from early in the morning, right? When me talk about, you know what the people them say? They might tell me something to keep quiet. So if you just quiet and just sit down and wait. Wait, I don't care if nobody want to look over me or not. That's how it is. They might tell me something to sit down and wait. When me sit down and wait now, I say, wait. How comes the people them have me at the hospital sit down and wait? And me at the hospital and wait and me ask question now like to say, what's up miss? Because me no hear my name call and if I'm morning say that come like when I waste my time. You the woman go tell me, the nurse and the doctor them were they out here. You want to look at me and tell me say. Me if you take a seat, go and go sit down and take a seat. See the Princess Margaret Hospital, St. Thomas in license. See them. I don't know if you can see it. Because I not say it right. This is Princess Margaret Hospital in Lyson, St. Thomas. Remember me this say it. If you don't want dead, come out of the hospital here. You wanna die like right now? Come to this hospital. Them a kill baby. Them a kill all. Them a kill everybody. They don't give a fuck who. Them a just a give you injection. So if you're dead and you're gone, you're just dead. Nobody in your family don't know what happened to you. Yeah? So right now, I'm going to find the people in place. I'm going to find them in place because guess what? It makes no sense if you go to the hospital and stand up at the hospital as a baby mother and then people are dealing with like, sit here. Sit here.
Oh, no, go on the first promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly. Cause when they win them a go dump way. Marky G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention. Leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do when him call the election. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. So we are tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them